Discover heavy-duty land management built for the Ozarks. Join Grace Manufacturing at the 47th Annual Ozark Fall Farm Fest to see our equipment in action. Find us at FarmFest 2026, happening October 2nd, 3rd, and 4th at the Ozark Empire Fairgrounds in Springfield, Missouri. Look for the orange tree shear tent. Admission and parking are free. Our land management solutions cover tree shearing, brush clearing, and root removal. Whether you need the Tree Terminator, a rotary mower, or a dedicated tree puller, we have the right tool. The Tree Terminator Grande is skid steer compatible and features up to a 20-inch cutting capacity. It is the ideal solution for forest harvesting and heavy pasture cleanup. Meet the Tree Terminator Slasher, our powerful mower and shear combination. With its 350-pound cutting wheel, it allows you to quickly clear large areas of brush and standing trees in a single pass. The Tree Terminator Rotary Mower is built for tough jobs. Featuring robust steel deck construction and a universal skid steer mount, it is designed for thick grass and unyielding brush management. We also offer the Citrus Shear, specialized for low canopy and orchard management, and the Rotating Tree Shear, perfect for trimming high limbs and navigating uneven terrain. For deeper work, our TreeJaws tree puller utilizes a high-pressure hydraulic cylinder and heavy-duty gripping teeth, engineered for complete root removal and stubborn fence row clearing. Want to see the equipment in action? Join us live at the booth throughout the weekend. We will be demonstrating how our steel works on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Why stop by our tent? You can see live demos, meet the expert builders, learn about our American-made, solar-powered manufacturing, and discuss financing for your specific property. We look forward to seeing you at FarmFest. For more information, visit us at treeterminator.com, call 417-458-4350, or reach out via email.